Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was looking for something fun to put in this corner of my lot, and I found this wonderful hammock chair. It is the best thing to happen to this corner since the lights went up. I absolutely love this chair. It is so relaxing. It's so fun to just sit in there and listen to the birds sing and watch the day pass by. Some of the things that I love about this chair. First of all, I love how sturdy it is. I mean, look at these ropes here, and it's very sturdy. It's very well made. A lot of hammock chairs that you see will hold up to like 350 pounds. This one says it'll hold up to 500 pounds. I haven't tested that, but I know I'm not a small woman and I can sit in it comfortably and I don't feel like it's going to break. I also like that with this material, you can use this inside, say as a reading nook or something in your kids' room, or you can hang it outside like I did. So I've had it out in the weather a lot. I haven't brought it in, and it still looks great. It still works great, and there's no signs of rust. There's no signs of wear, even though I'm not really easy with it. It comes with everything you need, the bar, the S-beaner, a strap that you could just hang it from a tree if you'd like. Everything that you need to have this set up. It took me a matter of moments and I was ready to swing the day away. It comes in many different designs and it's just fantastic.